Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in home insurance with WellFarm easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the WellFarm website. Once on the home page, locate the insurance section in the main menu. Click on the home insurance option to explore coverage plans. Review the various home insurance plans available to find one that suits your needs. Click on the plan you are interested in for more detailed information. Take note of the coverage limits, deductibles, and additional features. To initiate the application process, look for the Get a Quote button and click on it. Input your home details, including the address, size, and construction type. Provide information about your belongings and any specific coverage needs you may have. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, review your information and proceed to the next step. You may be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your account or enter your existing login details. After logging in, you'll see a summary of the quote based on the information provided. Review the quote carefully and make any adjustments if needed. If satisfied, click the Continue button to move forward with the application. You will then need to provide personal information such as your name, contact details, and any required documentation. Once all fields are complete, review the terms and conditions of the insurance policy. When everything looks good, confirm your application by clicking on the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Keep an eye on your inbox for any further instructions or information about your policy. Congratulations, you have successfully invested in home insurance with WellFarm. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.